Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. In this video, I have something different for you. Sheesham wood furniture, and that too plain without any carving. So far I've shown you so many designs, so many videos. I think more than 3,000 videos we have on YouTube, and hardly a couple of them are plain designs in Sheesham because texture of Sheesham is really rich. It looks beautiful. We made this because the client specifically wanted us to do it. He has visited our Mysore showroom, and from there we got this order. And this is a king size bed without storage in Sheesham wood. When we talk about the bed, is king size bed. King size means 6 feet by 6.5 feet. Mattress area. Back height is 54 inches, 4.5 feet. The front is around 26 inches, a couple of inches more than 2 feet. And it's without storage, like the client wanted, and we created it. And if you want a storage bed in this, you want side tables along with this, you want to add something, we make customized furniture, everything as per your choice. Now coming to this dining set, it has got a nice glass in it, and this is 4 feet dia and 4 chairs. As you can see, quite wide chairs. I'll sit on one. Generally the chairs that you get in the market are only 18 inches, very narrow chairs, but this is wide, 22 inches, and the back height is also good. Also, I'll request you to visit our testimonial section. That'll give you very nice ideas because there's so much stuff that is there we have made and delivered across the globe right to your home at factory price. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.